Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Pai Mai Tai. To make this drink, we are going to start with the papaya syrup. I do make my own papaya syrup. Recipes here on the channel. You feel free to click on the link down below or check out the link at the end of the video. We're going to put in 3/4 of an ounce of the papaya syrup. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of orgeat, and I do make my own orgeat. Again, recipes here on the channel, look for the links down below. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters of the orgeat. 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters of fresh squeezed lime juice. And finally the rum, 2 ounces of the rum, 60 milliliters. Add your ice, and give it a shake. Because I'll be giving this to my wife afterwards, I'm going to use a Pico Grande glass. If you don't have a Pico Grande, feel free to use a lowball or anything that'll fit. But I'm going to open pour this, which means the ice is going to go in the drink as well. Add a straw, and add a garnish. Garnish for this is going to be a lime wheel, like so, and a sprig of mint. Activate, stick it in. And there you have it, Pai Mai Tai. Drink with good spirits.